Jae Tips and Saucony have a great thing going. The first drop, the Saucony Grid Azure 2000, remember who fronted, has been named the best collaboration of 2023, and now the following in that footstep. Saucony and Jae Tips is back, but not with one. They have two pairs of the Saucony Grid Shadow 2. The Saucony Grid Shadow 2 is a silhouette from 1996. This model launched 27 years ago, and yes, we know, it is not as popular as all the other Saucony silhouettes. We have a blue and pink colorway that you see in my hand, and there's also a brown and red colorway. If you're wondering what the name of the pack is, what's the occasion? The pair that I have in my hand is known as the Wear to a Date pair, and the brown and pink pair, or the brown and red, depending on how you see it, is known as the Wear to a Party colorway. The idea for this pack is derived from multi-wear versatility. The occasion is also featured on the insole of each sneaker, one suggesting wear to a party and the other suggesting wear to a date. The Jae Tips Saucony Grid Shadow 2 pack plays around with the idea of getting dressed with the intention of brightening up the world. Whether you're going on a date or going to a party, these Grid Shadow 2s are wearable stories that seamlessly merge art and style. They both allow you to express the best version of yourself, no matter the occasion, forever. The word forever is also printed on the side of the toe box on each pair. We also have the Jae Tips Savior message on the back of each shoe, and his flower motif can be found on the heel as well and on the tongue of the right shoe on both pairs. The Jae Tips and Saucony pack, What's the Occasion, aligns seamlessly with the Bronx native collection of projects we've seen from the past, present, and future. They all feature crazy, bright, vibrant colors. This pair includes a bright teal, pink, yellow, orange, red. It's crazy. And the same can be said for the other pair that features browns, tans, creams, reds, pinks. Jae Tips just knows what he's doing, and he has a way of combining a bunch of colors and just making them work. The Jae Tips Saucony Grid Shadow 2 What's the Occasion released on December 8th, 2023 for a retail price of $140, $150, or $160 depending on where you were buying it from. I got my pairs for $140 each and no tax at all whatsoever. Every pair of the Saucony Jae Tips Grid Shadow 2s is adorned with a melody of rich color, and both pairs feature signature elements, high quality materials, hairy suede, open mesh, leather, nubuck, and the tongues bear Saucony Grid branding and Jae Tips branding as well. Getting into the construction of the Jae Tips Saucony Grid Shadow 2 Wear to a Date pair, we have a wide blue mesh on the toe with a tightly wound mesh right underneath. Right above the mesh, we have a nice dark teal nubuck, and wrapping around the toe, we have a light blue nubuck with forever embroidered in red. Overlaid on the top of the toe, we have a hairy suede. When it comes to the eyelets, we have more of that dark teal nubuck. And right on the top of the eyelets, we have a dark pink, or like a dark neon pink TPU. The Saucony logo is in a light pink TPU. Over top, a layer of open mesh. On the bottom of the sneaker, we have more of that teal hairy suede, and right underneath that, we have a textured light blue panel. That panel spans all the way to the back, and on the heel, we have the Jae Tips Savior embroidered in light blue. Right above, we have a pink globe. Right above that, we have a half of a flower. That flower's colors is light green, yellow, orange, and like a peachy pink color. When it comes to the laces, Jae Tips and Saucony has provided us with white laces already in the shoe and a dark teal lace if you want to do a quick lace swap. Right underneath the laces, we have a woven looking tongue. Kind of looks like canvas, but it's not. That tongue is in light blue, and on top, on the right shoe, we have Saucony Grid branding, and on the left shoe, we have a Jae Tips logo flower. The interior of the sneaker is off-white, and it's the only time we see this off-white color on the shoe. The insole of the right pair just has Saucony Grid Shadow branding, while the insole of the left pair has that Jae Tips globe, and it also has the name of the shoe and the occasion. wear to a date. When we get down to the midsole, it's completely light pink, except for when we get to the heel, which has a weird seafoam green color, and right on the bottom it says grid. Turning the shoe over to the outsole is covered in black, pink, and that teal we've seen on the upper. When it comes to sizing, I say you need to go a half size to a full size up. These sneakers do run snug. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, this sneaker gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I have no glue stains, no loose threading. The shoe just looks great. Jae Tips and Saucony definitely did their thing, but that's nothing new for Saucony because we know, well I know, that Saucony always comes with high quality materials and craftsmanship. The packaging for the shoe is as playful as the shoe itself. Right on top of the shoe, we have Jae Tips. We have his flower logo, and it says in collaboration with Saucony. When you turn the box over to its side, we have another Jae Tips logo, and it says buy some flowers. Turning the box over again, we have show up on time, and turning the box to the bottom, we have smell good. The packaging is great. It's covered in colors and just follows in Jae Tips' footsteps. Colorful, vibrant, in your face. After seeing what Jae Tips did with his first drop with Saucony, the Saucony Grid Azura 2000, I was very excited for what was coming next. And he hit us with the What's the Occasion pack, and I had to get both pairs. Right here, I have the wear to a date pair, and I will definitely be doing a review on the next one, the wear to a party. If you're wondering who I am, my name is Chris Claxton, and this is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers and pop culture. If you want to see more sneakers, if you want to see more fashion content, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I do my best to post almost every single day, so tap in with me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.